Candidate तेदूस कांयच discussion जालें ना because आमगे demand as we are not saying anything but we want a good candidate and what we see today being part of India Alliance we cannot express आमच्यान express करपा जायना पण there is something what is legitimate and what is not legitimate. The time is running and I think our alliance partners that is Congress needs to understand that they have to come up with a candidate. तुमकां लागून आमी कॅन्डिडेट जायनासो रावले तुम जर गोंयच्या लोकांक जर तर आज कॅन्डिडेट टायमार दिनाय जाल्यार what kind of an alliance is this? We strongly oppose the delay that the Congress is doing. We might be India partners, but we are not under your slaves. That we will keep on waiting. You all have to come up with a candidate, and we need a good candidate. Amkos candidate then we will have to take a different call. It is India Alliance, and it is for a bigger cause. But that does not mean तुमकां जाय तेच तुम करतले म्हूण. आतां कितलो टायम जालो? काँग्रेसाक सदांच तसल्योच खबरो. India Alliance partner म्हूण we are staying quiet with the Congress. But do not take us for granted. Yes, we are partners. But partners मुठी तुम रॉंग करताय ते आमी सांगपा नाही. You are delaying. See the date today. हाल कोड लागपा सॅटर्डे ना संडे ताका लागून सगळे इनॉग्रेशन चलता पूण काँग्रेसाक अजून कॅन्डिडेट येना. पार्टनर्सा मत देखून आसताच. This is positive feedback what I'm giving. And I'm telling them to come up with a candidate and we want a good, tough, strong, young, dynamic candidate who can lead our issues on South Goa. तुम पोचके कॅन्डिडेट डील जाला लॉक बॅकफायर जातले and we are going to bring this BJP government back again in the south when they don't have any standing in the south.